Hi, Julian here, and this week I'm going to be talking about the latest version of Next.js, which is a very popular React framework designed as a hybrid solution for both static site generation and server-side rendering. Next.js 11 was released in June of this year and promises a number of improvements to performance, developer experience and user experience, as well as a host of exciting new features. First up, there have been a number of optimizations under the hood aimed at improving developer experience, including the adoption of Webpack 5. In practice, this means reduced cold startup time, improved caching, and an even faster fast refresh. There's also a new built-in script component for optimizing and prioritizing the loading of third-party scripts in your project. There have also been some much-needed upgrades to Next.js's image component, including automatic size detection, which will reduce layout shift during page load, and much anticipated support for blur up placeholders out of the box. This brings Next.js much more in line with Gatsby's industry-leading image optimization and handling. Next up, Next.js 11 also introduces something called Conformance, which is a brand new framework designed by Google for analyzing the core web vitals and performance of your website. You can think of it as a sort of runtime lighthouse report, which leverages ESLint, TypeScript, Webpack, and dynamic runtime checks to analyze the performance of your website and suggest improvements in line with industry best practices during development. This allows developers to make incremental performance optimizations as they go along, rather than being faced with a huge list of them after they've built and deployed the website. Finally, the team at Next.js have also introduced a brand new product called Next.js Live. The idea behind it is that the development server is moved entirely to the browser, decoupling the development machine from the rendered site preview. This unlocks some really exciting possibilities for fully hosted code and live collaboration that could fundamentally change how static React sites are built in the future. The hosted version of Next.js Live, which is currently in preview, promises real-time collaboration features such as comments, cursors, drawing, and global code synchronization. This promises much greater transparency for non-technical stakeholders and means that developers don't need to spend loads of time building and deploying a website just to show it in a demo. So there you have it. Next.js 11 promises to be more performant, better for developers, and better for end users. What's not to love?